Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of critical thinking. Now you might ask, what is critical thinking? Well, it's the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. It's a powerful tool that can significantly improve our decision-making process, be it in our daily lives or our career journey. It enables us to evaluate the barrage of information around us and make informed decisions. So, having established the significance of critical thinking, let's delve into some practical techniques. Firstly, let's talk about problem analysis. This process involves breaking down complex situations into smaller, manageable parts. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece represents a different aspect of the problem. By examining each piece, we can gain a deeper understanding of the situation as a whole. Consider a typical day at work. You're faced with a project deadline. Problem analysis helps you identify the steps needed, resources required, and potential roadblocks. As we can see, a clear analysis can lead to effective solutions. Now, moving on to logical thinking. This is the mechanism that drives our problem-solving and decision-making. It's about connecting the dots, using facts to come to a rational conclusion. Imagine you're solving a puzzle. Each piece of information is a puzzle piece. As you fit each piece together, the picture becomes clearer. It's the same with logical thinking. By piecing together facts and observations, we can form a coherent, well-reasoned decision. Remember, logic is the backbone of sound decision-making. Information is power, but only if it's reliable. Now let's talk about how to vet your information sources. Consider the credibility of the source and the quality of the evidence. Is the source reputable? Does the evidence support the argument? For instance, if you're researching climate change, a peer-reviewed scientific journal would be more reliable than a blog post. It's also important to differentiate facts from opinions. Facts are objective truths, while opinions are personal views. So always make sure your information is reliable before making a decision. You might be wondering, how can I apply critical thinking in my everyday life? Well, it's simpler than you think. Whether you're solving a complex problem at work or deciding which phone to buy, critical thinking comes into play. It involves questioning the information you're given, analyzing the situation, and making a calculated decision. It's about not taking things at face value, but digging deeper. So, start practicing these techniques today, in every situation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start applying these techniques today. It's been a journey exploring the realm of critical thinking with you. We've dissected problem analysis, dipped our toes in logical thinking, evaluated information critically, and looked at applying these techniques in everyday life. Remember, the key is practice. Try these methods out and don't hesitate to share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Until next time, keep thinking critically.